Welcome to Gravity Automotive. Ford just dropped something special, the 2026 Bronco Sport, with an exclusive bronze package that's turning heads everywhere. If you thought compact SUVs were boring, think again. This adventure-ready machine combines Mustang-inspired styling with genuine off-road capability that'll make you rethink everything you know about crossover. Stick around because we're diving deep into why this might be the most exciting small SUV of the year. Ford's 2026 Bronco Sport brings serious off-road capability in a compact package, now featuring a bold bronze package inspired by the Mustang that isn't your typical crossover. It's an adventure-ready SUV that refuses to blend into the background. The 2026 model retains its boxy, adventure-ready stance while adding a more aggressive front fascia with a reshaped grille, pronounced wheel arches, and a taller hood line, with the standout bronze package introducing sinister bronze accents throughout, including stunning 17-inch wheels in mid-gloss bronze, bronze-finished grille lettering and fender vents, and a contrasting black roof for an upscale two-tone effect that continues inside with matching trim on instrument bezels, HVAC vents, door panels, and floor mats, plus canyon stitching on the steering wheel and seats, and a clever center console plate with mounting screws mimicking the Bronco's signature headlights. The lineup starts with the Big Bend featuring a 1.5-liter EcoBoost 3-cylinder producing 181 horsepower and 190 lb-ft of torque with standard AWD, cloth seats, and an 8-inch touchscreen, while the Heritage Edition celebrates classic Bronco styling with retro graphics and Oxford white accents. The new Freewheeling Edition offers bold sunset-inspired graphics and gradient striping. The Outer Banks focuses on comfort with leather seats and premium audio, and the range-topping Badlands brings a 2.0-liter EcoBoost 4-cylinder pumping out 245 horsepower and 275 lb-ft of torque with advanced 4x4 off-road suspension, skid plates, and all-terrain tires, plus the Tremor off-road package adds lifted suspension, locking differentials, and heavy-duty protection for serious trail duty. Both EcoBoost engines pair with an 8-speed automatic transmission featuring revised tuning for improved responsiveness, while the standard AWD system uses a twin-clutch rear-drive unit for enhanced traction. Towing capacity reaches 2,200 pounds with trailer sway control and hitch assist, and the terrain management system offers multiple drive modes including normal, eco, sport, slippery, sand, and mud/ruts to optimize performance across various conditions. The 2026 cabin features a redesigned, tech-focused dashboard maintaining utilitarian touches with top trims offering up to a 13.2-inch touchscreen with SWN-C4, wireless smartphone connectivity, over-the-air updates, and split-screen capability. A digital instrument cluster with customizable displays, redesigned center console with added storage space, and available features including ventilated front seats, marine-grade vinyl upholstery with rubberized flooring, B&O premium audio, wireless charging, and improved noise dampening, while the cabin seats 5 comfortably with cargo space expanding from 32.5 to 65.2 cubic feet with seats folded. Ford Co-Pilot 360 comes standard with collision warning, automatic emergency braking, pedestrian detection, and adaptive cruise control, while higher trims add Co-Pilot 360 Assist 2.0 with lane centering, and available features include blind spot monitoring, 360-degree camera, a front-facing trail camera for spotting obstacles, and trail turn assist that helps navigate tight corners by using brakes to pivot the vehicle. Plus, Ford's Bronco Off-Rodeo program offers new buyers a complimentary one-day guided off-road driving experience teaching proper techniques and building owner confidence. New colors for 2026 include forest green and sunburst orange alongside traditional favorites, with the bronze package pairing particularly well with Oxford white for a vintage modern look, while Ford offers extensive factory accessories including rock lights, bull bars, snorkel kits, and roof rack systems for personalized customization. The 2026 Bronco Sport delivers impressive off-road performance, modern technology, and practical usability in a more manageable package than the full-size Bronco, and while it can't match its bigger siblings' removable roof and doors, it offers genuine capability that separates it from generic compact crossovers, making it perfect for weekend warriors and outdoor enthusiasts who want EcoBoost power, advanced AWD, thoughtful design, and unmistakable Bronco heritage in a compact SUV with big personality that actually delivers on its promises. Exactly what today's adventure seekers need. If you're as excited about the 2026 Bronco Sport as we are, Make sure to subscribe to Gravity Automotive for more in-depth automotive reviews and updates. Like this video to show your support, comment below and let us know if you choose the bronze package or stick with a classic color. Share this video with fellow off-road enthusiasts who need to see this beast. And follow us on social media for exclusive content and behind-the-scenes footage. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss our latest automotive coverage, because here at Gravity Automotive, we bring you where performance meets passion. Gravity Automotive, where performance meets passion.